out deionized water and mix in disodium EDTA until dissolved. Add sodium benzoate and mix until fully dispersed. Whilst mixing under a fast vortex, sprinkle in Jaguar C17 and mix until completely dissolved. Add citric acid and mix until dissolved, allowing guar gum to hydrate. Add dihigh quartz ACA to main batch. Mix and then start heating to 65 to 70 degrees Celsius. At temperature, add behentrimonium chloride to main batch with mixing. Mix until completely dispersed and uniform. Add Texique PQ37 to main batch and mix until uniform. Then start heating to 70 to 75 degrees Celsius. In support vessel, weigh out oil phase and heat to 70 to 75 degrees Celsius. At temperature, add phenoxyethanol and mix until uniform. Ensure both phases are at correct temperature and then add oil phase to water phase whilst homogenizing. Homogenize until smooth and uniform. Start cooling to below 40 degrees Celsius with slow mixing only. At below 40 degrees Celsius, add following individually and mix until uniform.